are you doing to this hot rod?
Hot rod. Nah, I gotta change the transmission fluid. It's about due.
Yeah? Let's knock it out.
Really?
You got ant soil?
Yeah, I got ant soil, baby.
That's the way to do it. Alright, hammer it out. Let's go.
Alright. Now, what I should have done is take the dipstick out, because vacuum builds up in the trans and it splashes everywhere. And I didn't, and that's what happens, you make a mess. But it doesn't matter, it's out now. At the end of the drain plug, it has a magnet for all the transmission wear. Look at that. This is around 100,000 miles. See? Now it's nice and clean, I can put it back in. Hey, Pops!
What?
Come here. I gotta show you something. Look at this. Look how dirty made the rag.
What are you doing? You doing arts and crafts? Why you have a pipe cleaner?
It's from the Godfather when he gave the...
For what?
Yeah, because I got the blinkers out and shit and had that and it was still in the bench and it got caught in the rag and then it fell on the floor and then I had to clean this and then I showed you how dirty the rag was and then that was that.
What happened? Watch this. We had a guy in Italy, right? And we used to call him it's a mustache, Uncle Mustache.
Oh.
He had a friggin' mustache. It was like this. Oh, dude, what's an upside down though? How you doing? How you doing?
What color was it?
Black.
Was he old?
Dirty.
Was his fingernails dirty or were they cut?
We didn't shower much because back then we didn't have a lot of showers.
What kind of shirt was he wearing when you saw that for the first time?
Suit. It was hot like today. I don't know how the hell he did it.
What color socks?
Purple! Eggplant! Get the hell out of here!
Look at this. Look what my mother does. Look at. She parks on curbstones. Look at that. Look at. I gotta teach her someday. We're putting the old fluid in a gallon container because we gotta see how much came out. It's not important. This is just the way I like to do it.
So how much do we put back in? They come in quarts. How much do you put in?
I'll put 4.
Why 4?
Do you not know how many quarts are right now?
There you go. That's what I was waiting for.
To refill the fluid, you have to take a bolt out, and that's where you put the fluid in. And it's kind of hard to get to. It's right over here, all the way down there. That was on there. Here.
Smells like peach. I don't like peach. Taking over the word! No, wait, we're not done yet. Hold on. You're good. You're alright. Alright, you're good. That's it. There's your oil change.
There you go.
There you go. On a nice hot August day. Man, is it hot today. But anyway, think fast. Taking over the world.